Wisekleen is established by a group of professionals with more than 14 years of experience in hygiene industry. Its core vision is to provide full range of hygiene supplies and bring innovations for our valued customers. Our factory has a facility of about 3,800 square meters in Guangzhou, China. We have our own mold workshop, injection, assembly, R&D and QA system, ISO 9001. It enables us to provide capable service for both ODM and OEM. Our productivity is more than 6,000 pieces regular dispensers per day. All of our products are compliant with necessary certifications, such as CE and ROS. Our main categories are paper towel dispenser, aerosol dispenser, urinal sanitizer dispenser, soap dispenser, soap pumps and sachets, liquid pump dispenser, fan fresh dispenser, toilet seat cleaner dispenser, etc. We have a professional team to support us to deliver our promises. We have a capability of developing and manufacturing most types of dispensers and related parts. We are very professional at R&D. We mainly sell our own products instead of outsourcing. We can also develop new products for our customers according to their needs. And we will have new products ready every year, which is suitable when customer needs exclusivity. We are willing to set up long-time cooperation relationship together with clients from all over the world on the basis of mutual benefits. Your visit is more than welcome.